2017 Chevy Camaro RS. Still got the factory converters up there. Then it's got secondary converters right here. Then a factory or aftermarket X-pipe installed somewhere else. And then we just installed these Borla ATAKS on this side and this side with the dual outlets. 4-inch tips, Borla ATAKS. If you guys want to purchase those, you can see in the link in the description. I think it's going to sound good. It's an RS Chevy Camaro. Came out really nice. I like how it's nice and tucked. Let you guys hear in a minute. 2012 Chevy Camaro. Still got factory converters there and there. Got a factory H-pipe. Got factory resonators. And we put Flowmaster 40 series on both sides. Because it had straight pipes and it was way too loud for them. Reused his tips there and there. They were fun to do, but we got them done. Right there and right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. If you guys want these mufflers, you'll see a link in the description. Thank you. 2019 Chevy Camaro V6. Got factory converters there and there. Then secondary converters. Then it's true dualed into 2 MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKs. Then we did a resonator delete also, or a rear muffler delete. And did a resonator delete and put MAGNAPACKs in their place. That's what I meant to say. Into his original tips, right there and right there. This is all the stuff that came off of it. There's the mid resonator and the giant muffler in the back. That's how you do a muffler delete on these. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Borla ATAKS. This is the after. Let you guys hear it on the inside. V6, I was mistaken. It's not a V8, it's a V6. Sound decibels, go ahead. It's about 96, 97, so it's legal. Go ahead and back it up for California people. Too quiet for us, but it's okay. Chevy Camaro V6 2012. Let you guys hear on the inside. sounds like I'm idle.
Beast mode! Wow.
Get on it, okay? Chevy Camaro. Camaro. Got a black badge too.